Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Substack monetization settings for writers, beginner guide step by step clearly. Log in to your Substack account. Navigate to your dashboard. Look for the settings option in the left sidebar. Click on settings to open the menu. Scroll down to the monetization section. Here, you will see your current monetization settings. If monetization is turned off, toggle the setting to enable it. Select the subscription pricing model that fits your content. You can choose between free, paid, or a combination of both. Customize your subscription tiers. Average subscription pricing typically ranges from $5 to $10. Review the payment options available. Connect a payment processor if you haven't done so already. This could be Stripe or another supported service. Make sure to enter all necessary information accurately. Check your payout schedule preferences. You can set this to weekly, monthly, or another option based on your needs. Once you've configured everything, save your changes. To ensure your settings are effective, preview your newsletter. If everything looks good, return to your settings. Consider promoting your subscription options in your upcoming posts. Adjust your monetization strategy as needed based on performance data. Consistency will help you build a loyal audience over time. Stay updated with Substack's latest features and guidelines. This will help you maximize your platform's potential. By following these steps, you can successfully restore your monetization settings on Substack. This aligns your writing efforts with sustainable income opportunities. Good luck with your writing journey on Substack. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.